So what I want to do is talk about salvaging various types of obsolete LED flashlights. Now this is a Craftsman C3. These had no part schematics at all with them. They were not intended to be serviceable. These were to be thrown away once you used them and the LED died. I have one that the handle was broke on, it was dropped. I have another one that the body is excellent, but the LED is dead. So the way these things were designed, the LED is right there in a heat sink circuit board that goes in the front of it, so you can't remove the LED. So what you have to do is transplant it. Now you have a choice here. You can take apart the head and splice, or you may find it's easier just to take all the guts out and replace it. So it is possible to repair these, but what happens is you're going to be salvaging entire units to do it. So this is a case of planned obsolescence because they make it so that you can't replace the actual LED in the flashlight. So that's a drawback of LEDs in survival situations. So what I'm going to do is just take and swap these guts and have a useful flashlight out of two that I salvaged. So please share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.